I want to show you how this lady were able to skyrocket from 14 subscribers to 2.3k subscribers. So this lady reached out to me a few days ago telling me that she has been on YouTube for 1 year, 2 months, and she has been struggling to get at least 100 subscribers. Her subscribers has been 14, 15. According to her, she has tried all she could. Yes, she couldn't get the 1,000 subscribers. So I now decided to show her this formula that I want to share with us here. So when this lady tried it, first in my DM, she flooded it with kind of subscribers she's getting in every shot that she uploads out there. So if you are struggling to get your 1,000 subscribers, this video right here is for you, because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get your 1,000 subscribers within 3 days. Somebody may ask, is this monetizable? Yes, 100%. You can use this to monetize your channel. We all know that for you to monetize your channel, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within 365 days. So this is very 100% approved to use and monetize your channel. So with that being said, let's get straight to the video, and I'm going to make this video whole practical. Just follow me step by step. You're going to understand it perfectly. After this process, if you are not able to get your 1,000 subscribers, that means you did not watch this video step by step. Or if you have any issue, that means you did not follow the video to the end. So do your best to pay attention to this video from start to finish. I'm not just going to show you how to get this video out there. I'm going to also give you hacks on how you can actually take advantage of this very strategy to get that 1,000 subscribers very easy. I'm Shavera. In this channel, we teach small creators how to grow, monetize, the do's and don'ts you need to avoid here on YouTube. So if that sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button. It's free. So let's straight to the video. What you should do is that you go to, let's go get to YouTube. You type viral shorts. Viral shorts. Search. These are the viral shorts we have here. Like this one says, this one is 197 million views. So this one is 335 million views. Now what you are going to look at here is that if you see this first one said, this first one is 1 year ago. This second one is 4 years ago. And you know that for a video to go viral, for you to copy a particular trend and get views on that trend, you need to do that trend that moment the trend is still hot. Now if you look at some of them here, the years have passed. That means YouTube are no longer promoting that video the way it promoted it when the video was trending. Now what you are going to look for is that the videos that are below 1 year, you can use 11 months, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, 5 months, one month. So both months, 11 months. This one is 135 million views. So we are going to go for this particular one. Now let me tell you what you need to look out for the only time you want to use this. What you should look out for is that you look out for the title the owner of this video use and the hashtags the owner use. This one is a best funny videos. You have hashtag shorts, you have hashtag viral, hashtag funny, and hashtag trending. So the other hashtags here. So that is what you need to look out for. Now let's go to this video and see particular one. So what you do is that you click on this plus sign here. You will see use this sound, use this template, collabo, green screen, cut this video. We are going to use green screen. You click on the green screen. So you place your face, your head down so that it will not take over the whole video. You can place it on something, on a table or somewhere. You make sure you off your the speaker so that to avoid background noise, and also whatever you say will not interrupt the video. So you place your head down, then you now start. Let's react to it. So after you have reacted to it, come to this place here. You can write something like wait for it So let's give it a background. The next thing you do is that you click next. The video is downloading straight to your YouTube. So other work you need to do, as I said before, you put the title, the video used, wait for it. So this is it. Let's say this is a title. Then you put your hashtags. Hashtag short. Also, you can use this is Duat video, so you can use other hashtags for it. Then, but you check out the hashtag the owner of this video this short use. Then the next thing we should do is that you click on this pencil icon. You need to look for where they more attractive, like this place now. They're more attractive. You pick the most attractive place on the video, then place it down. So what you do is that you come to this place, you click go. Now the next thing you do, you come to related video. You make sure that you add this short to any related video if you have video in your channel, because I also make video on how you can actually use shorts to get loyal fans. So this is one way you can use short to get loyal fans. So you add, okay, this is a new channel. Okay, you add it to related video. If you have any long form video, you select your audience. You select audience made for kids or not made for kids. Of course, it's not meant for kids. You click on not meant for kids. Always make sure you select your audience before you set your videos public. Now you come to this place, public. I don't always set my videos public, but this is for the sake of for you to be able to get 1,000 subscribers. Of course, you're not just uploading one particular one each day. You're going to upload this in like 3 to 4 times per day. So you just give it every 3 hours, you upload another one. This is what will help you to get 1,000 subscribers. I've used this countless times, and I've also advised many people to use this. You click on it. So the next thing we do is that you upload your short. So this is it, guys. This is how you can be able to use it to get your 1,000 subscribers. So if you have not been trying this strategy, I want you to give this a try. Just give it a try and don't just upload once and give up. If you try this process, you are going to get your 1,000 subscribers in no time. So that if you find this helpful, I want you to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.